In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio files public in Roblox. So to go and set your audio file as public on Roblox Marketplace, then we first need to open up the Roblox website, click on Create in the top navigation. In the left hand side, click on Creations. Then you want to select Development Items. Click on Audio from the list of options. Then you first need to go and upload your audio asset. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the Upload Asset and give your audio file name. I'm just gonna go ahead and call this audio 1. You can also give your audio a description as well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click on upload button to go and upload my audio file. And once you've uploaded your MP3 file, we can scroll down to the bottom and click on upload. Now once it's finished uploading, you'll see all your audio files in the bottom down here, and in order to make this file public, what you need to do is just click on it like so. Then we're gonna go ahead and scroll down to where it says distribute on create a store, and you want to make sure this here is turned on and enabled. Now before you do this, you will need to get approval to distribute your assets, so we can just go ahead and click on submit for a review. Just bear in mind that you will need to have your identification verified on the Roblox website before you can do this. Then go ahead and agree to all of these terms and conditions and press submit. Now you'll get this message saying distribution approval pending, and this typically takes around 24 hours. So we click back on audio assets, we can click back on your audio track, and as you can see here on my audio was approved in nearly enough instantly. So now what we need to do is click on this option distribute on create a store, and then we press save changes. Now just bear in mind that your audio track needs to be under 6 seconds in order to make it public. If it's over 6 seconds, then you won't be able to have this option here. It's really as simple as that, guys. If you find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.